Hi guys, my name is Edith and today I'm gonna be telling you a little bit more about Abdomax. Abdomax is a natural formula to help support healthy digestion, okay? But before anything, I want to tell you a little bit about the place where you're going to get it, right? So guys, Abdomax is only sold on their official website, okay? You cannot get it from anywhere else. And be very careful about this, right? Because if you do get on another place, on another website, you may not get the real product and maybe you may never get it at all. So it's really important this warning, okay? I'm gonna be leaving the link to the official website down below in the description of this video, okay? Then you can do your purchase safely there, right? And what is Abdomax and why do you need it? So Abdomax is the perfect solution for anyone looking to help support a healthy gut and digestion. Abdomax is comprised of amazing ingredients and manufactured in the USA from the finest of foreign and domestic ingredients. In my opinion, all it takes is 8 seconds out of your day and a glass of your favorite morning beverage. And the power packed little Abdomax veggie capsule combined with a healthy diet and a healthy lifestyle to get started. Okay, so taking Abdomax is so simple, you will be excited to take it each morning. What is even more exciting is that if you purchase 3 or 5 bottles of Abdomax, they will even throw you a free special bonus. Okay, so if you get 3 bottles or 4 bottles, you get a free bonus bottle of Z Cleans. Okay, every 5 bottle package of Abdomax also gets free shipping, right? 94% of customers order the 5 bottle bundle. So your order today is a one-time payment with no rebills, hidden charges, or auto shipping. Nobody likes those, right? And there is a guarantee, guys. Abdomax is backed by a 100% money back guarantee for 60 full days from your original purchase. Okay? If you are not totally and completely satisfied with Abdomax, your results or your experience in the first 60 days from your purchase, simply contact the customer support team and they will give you a refund within 48 hours of the product being returned. Okay? That's right, simply return the product, even empty bottles, anytime within 60 days of your purchase, and you will receive a refund, no questions asked. Right, guys? But for this to happen, you have to purchase from the original website. So don't forget to check it out on the description below this video. If you have any other question, just drop them down below in the comments, all right? I hope this video has helped you and I see you next time. Bye.